Hello dear students, welcome to Royal Palace PU College online classes. Dear students, in this particular session we shall continue with the problems related to our exercise number 7.5. So what we had learned in this 7.5 exercise means related to our partial fractions we had learned here. And in your examination fixed one problem will be there in your examination for 5 marks. Okay dear students, now let us start with the problems related to this particular partial fractions. The next problem is given as 2x divided by x square plus 3x plus 2 into dx. So how we can write here, that is nothing but here 2x divided by x square plus 3x plus 2. So this term I can write as 2x whole divided by x square plus 2x plus x, okay, 2x plus x plus 2, okay. So now what value we get here after taking x common, that is nothing but here 2x divided by x into x plus 2 plus 1 into x plus 2, okay. So ultimately what we get here, that is 2x divided by, okay, x plus 1 into what we are having, x plus 2. Now here this term I can make use of for the partial fraction, that is a divided by x plus 1 plus b divided by x plus 2 here. Now we have to make use of partial fraction. Cross multiply, the LCM will be x plus 1 into x plus 2, both the side it gets eliminates here. So what is the remaining part, that is 2x equal to a into x plus 2 plus b into x plus 1. Here we can observe that x plus 2 if you are multiplying here and x plus 1 if you are multiplying here, the LCM becomes x plus 1 x plus 2. Here also we are having x plus 1 x plus 2, both sides get eliminates. Now here, now what we have to substitute for x so that I will get the b value as 0, that is when x equal to minus 1, if I put x equal to minus 1, minus 1 plus 1 becomes 0, I have to put x equal to minus 1 in both the values, that is minus 2 equal to a into minus 1 plus 2, okay. So now minus 1 plus 2 means what we get here 1, therefore a is equal to what we have, a is equal to here minus 2, very simple value. Similarly if I put x equal to, when x equal to minus 2, that means minus 2 plus 2 becomes 0, I will get the b value. Here minus 2 into 2, that is nothing but minus 4 equal to a into 0 plus b into what we have minus 2 plus 1, that is minus 2 plus 1, that is minus 1. So therefore b is equal to what we get here, b is equal to 4. Now we get the value for a is equal to minus 2 and b is equal to 4. I will substitute here, that implies integration of 2x divided by x plus 1 into x plus 2 dx equal to integration of a means what we have, the given question can be written as 2x divided by x plus 1 into x plus 2. This term can be written as a divided by, a means what we have, minus 2, minus 2 divided by x plus 1 plus b value is 4 here, 4 divided by x plus 2 into dx. It is a very clear and simple example. ಈಗ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ಕೋರಿ, ಸೆಪ್ರೇಟ್ಲಿ ಇಂಟಿಗ್ರೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋರಿ. ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಈಗ, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ minus 2 integration of 1 divided by x plus 1 dx plus 4 into integration of 1 divided by x plus, okay, 2 we have 2 into dx. So here what is the value for this, 1 divided by x plus 1, that is log of x plus 1, minus 2 into log of x plus 1 plus 4 into log of x plus 2 plus an integral constant c here, that is nothing but our required result here. Okay dear students, now let us start with the next problem, that was a required result. Here you can also write it as x raised to minus 2 log of x plus 1 whole raised to minus 2, here log of x plus 2 whole to the power of 4. Then you can make use of log of a plus b formula. In that manner also you can solve it. Okay, now we shall start with the next problem. The next problem is integration of 3x plus 5 divided by x cube minus x square, okay, minus x plus 1 minus x plus 1 into dx. It is a very simple problem here. Now here also we have to make use of partial fractions. Okay, the partial fraction is here. These are all the basics of the partial fractions. Now what we have to make use, that is 3x plus 5 divided by x cube minus x square minus x plus 1. This term can write it as 3x plus 5 as it is, the numerator part. The denominator part, if I take here x square common, what is the remaining part? X minus 1. If I take here minus outside, I will get x minus 1. Now what is the term we get? That is 3x plus 5 whole divided by x square minus 1 into x minus 1, which is equal to, here it is nothing but a square minus b square. What do you mean by a square minus b square? A square minus b square means 3x plus 5 whole divided by a plus b into a minus b. So what we get? X minus 1 into x plus 1 into what we have here, x minus 1 as it is. Now easily you can make use of the formula, that is the partial fraction value. So I can write this value as a divided by, that is nothing but here 3x plus 5, or else here can I write it as x minus 1 we have, can I write it as x minus 1 whole square into x plus 1. So now by making use of partial fraction, what I can write, if it is square, I can write it as a divided by x minus 1 plus b divided by x minus 1 whole square plus c divided by what we have, that is x plus 1 here, by making use of partial fractions. Now easily I can solve it. So now what is the LCM of these three things? LCM ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ನೋಡೋಣ ಈಗ. LCM, so the LCM will be, that is 3x plus 5 divided by x minus 1 whole square into x plus 1. LCM will be, that is x minus 1 whole square into x plus 1. Now a into what value is equal to x minus 1? A into, okay, a into what? That is nothing but here x minus 1 into x plus 1. Okay. Next term is b into what is equal to the LCM. LCM is x minus 1 whole square into x plus 1. That means I have to multiply x plus 1. Now c into what means? It is x minus 1 whole square. That is nothing but our taking the method of LCM here. So what we get? A into x minus 1 x plus 1, x minus 1 into x plus 1 plus b into x plus 1 plus c into the last one, that is x minus 1 whole square, x minus 1 whole square. Now here we can observe that the denominator get eliminates. Now I will rewrite the term, that is 3x plus 5 equal to, okay, the denominator part, that is 3x plus 5 equal to, okay, 3x plus 5 equal to a into x minus 1 into x plus 1 plus b into x plus 1 plus c into x minus 1 whole square, x minus 1 whole square. Now what we have to multiply, what we have to add, what we have to put to x, that is when x equal to, at what value for x a becomes 0 or else b becomes 0 here. At what value for x? We can observe that at x equal to, when x equal to minus 1. If I put x equal to minus 1, what happens? Minus 1 plus 1, it becomes 0. Here also minus 1 plus 1 becomes 0, the whole term becomes 0 here. That implies when x equal to minus 1, 3 into minus 1 plus 5 equal to a into 1 minus 1, that is nothing but minus 2 into 0 plus b into 0 plus c into, here minus 1 means minus 2 whole square. That implies minus 3 plus 5 equal to 0, 0, minus 2 square means 4c. So that implies c is equal to what we have here, 2. 2 by 4, that is nothing but here 1 by 2. What is the c value? 1 by 2 it is. Now the next term. So now we find out the value for c. Next term is when x equal to 1 here. If I put x equal to 1, 1 minus 1 0, 1 minus 1 0. So therefore what I will get here? I will get the value for, that is nothing but our, I think so we are getting the value for b. that is 3 into 1 plus 5 equal to a into 1 minus 1 0 into 2 plus b into 2, okay, plus c into 0. Now here 0 0, so here 8 is equal to 2b, that implies b equal to 4. Okay, dear students, what we got the b value? It is nothing but here 4 here. Now we have to solve for the next part. Okay, now what will be the next part, that we shall observe here. That is nothing but here. Now here one more thing, what I require, I got the value for b, I got the value for c. Now I require the value for a. How to find that a value? Let us observe here. Now before observing, so here what we can do here is, I will substitute the value here. That is nothing but here, substitute means what? Multiply here. I will multiply, or either I will comparing the coefficients, coefficient of x or coefficient of x square, or comparing the constant, that I can do here. Now if I comparing the constant here, okay, comparing constants on both sides. So here what is the constant? 5 equal to, here if I multiply these two things, minus 1 into plus 1, ultimately we get minus 1. That implies we are having here minus a. Why? Because here the constant, the coefficient, we are only the coefficient, okay, comparing coefficients of constant, comparing constants on both sides. So that means we have to multiply first, afterwards we get here ax square, okay, then plus 2x, okay, that type we will get here. That means minus a we get here, plus b, and here also plus c I am having. So I am having this equation, but here I know the value for b as well as c, that I will substitute. That is phi equal to minus a plus b. What is the value for b? Plus c equal to 1 by 2. Now we shall calculate it. So what we get? I will take the LCM here. That is phi equal to minus 2a plus 8 plus 1 whole divided by 2. Take this, multiply here 2. So that implies what we get here? That is 10 equal to minus 2a plus 9. Take the 9 here. That is 10 minus 9 equal to minus 2a. That implies a is equal to 10 minus 1. 9 means 1. So here minus 1 by 2. That is nothing but the value for a. Okay, dear students, this problem seems to be very lengthy, okay, but it is a very, very simple method. So this whole concept is about the partial fraction only. Now we have to substitute all the value for a, b and c here in this question. Now what it is, let us observe here. Now here, what is the question here? Okay, that is nothing but here, that implies integration of, that is 3x plus 5 whole divided by, now here x cube minus x square minus x plus 1, this term after simplifying, what I had written here, 3x plus 5 divided by x minus 1 whole square plus into x plus 1. What it is? A divided by x minus 1, x square minus x cube minus x square plus x minus x plus 1 equal to integration of a. A means what is the value? Minus 1 by 2. Minus 1 by 2 divided by x minus 1 plus b. What is the value for b? 4. 4 divided by x minus 1 whole square plus c. What is the c value here? 1 by 2. 1 by 2 divided by here x plus 1 into dx. Now we have to integrate this whole thing separately, which is equal to minus 1 by 2 integration of 1 divided by x minus 1 dx plus 4 into integration of 1 divided by x minus 1 whole square dx plus 1 by 2 integration of 1 divided by x plus 1 into dx. Now here what is the integration of 1 divided by x minus 1? That is nothing but here minus 1 by 2 into log of x minus 1. Now how we have to integrate this part? I will write 4 as it is, x minus 1 raised to minus 2, okay. Then what is the integration of x raised to n here? X raised to n means x raised to n plus 1 divided by n plus 1. Here x minus 1 raised to minus 2 we are having. Make use of that. Is nothing but here minus 2 plus 1 divided by minus 2 plus 1 plus 1 by 2 into log of x plus 1 here, plus an integral constant c. Now, what value we get, which is equal to minus 1 by 2 log of x minus 1 plus, here minus we have, that is minus 4 into x minus 1 raised to minus 1 plus 1 by 2 into log of x plus 1 plus an integral constant c. That is nothing but our required result. Very, very simple and easy example. Okay, dear students. So, before going to the next problem, please pause the video to note it down. Hello, dear students. Now, let us move on to the next problem here. So, here this problem is little bit different here. We can observe that we are having cos x divided by 1 minus sin x into 2 minus sin x. So, now how we have to solve it, that we shall observe here. So, before that I will substitute here, put here sin x equal to t. Now, what is the differentiation of sin x? Differentiating. So, what we get, sin x becomes cos x dx equal to dt. Now, put both the values here on the numerator part. So, what we get, integration of cos x dx means it is dt whole divided by 1 minus sin x, that is 1 minus t into 2 minus t. Okay. Now, here I can make use of partial fractions. So, now what we get by making use of partial fractions, 1 minus t into 2 minus t, which is equal to a divided by 1 minus t plus b divided by 2 minus t here. Cross multiply here, that is nothing but 1 is equal to a into 2 minus t plus b into 1 minus t. LCM ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ 1 minus t 2 minus t ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಎರಡು ಕಡೆ ಎಲಿಮಿನೇಟ್ ಆಗಿಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ. Now here, so now here when, what we have to substitute, when t equal to 2, okay, when t equal to 2, what happens, 2 minus 2 0 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, 1 minus 2 minus 1, that implies 1 equal to a into 0 plus b into 1 minus 2, that is nothing but minus 1, that implies b value will be minus 1. Okay, simple. Adhe riti when t equal to 1, when t equal to 1 means 2 minus 1 1, which is equal to a into 1 plus b into 0, that implies a value en bantu 1 bantu, a value will be 1 here. Now put both of these value here in the question, that implies integration of a andre enada namagili, that is 1 divided by 1 minus t plus b, what do you mean by b here, that is minus 1, minus 1 divided by 2 minus t into dt. Now you can integrate, which is equal to, okay, so what we have by integration, can I write it as integration of 1 divided by minus of t minus 1 plus of 1 divided by t minus 2, if I take minus t common outside, minus ಹೊರಗಡೆ ತಗೋತೀನಿ ಅಷ್ಟೇ, into dt. Now that integration will be minus log of t minus 1 plus log of t minus 2 plus c, which is equal to log a minus log b. Andre ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ನಮಗಿಲ್ಲಿ log of t minus 2 divided by t minus 1, okay, plus an integral constant c. That is nothing but our required very simple and easy example. Okay. Now we shall start with the next problem, that is integration of dx divided by x into x raised to n minus 1. Okay. The question is, okay, fine, that is 1 divided by x into x raised to n minus 1 dx. How we have to solve it? Very, very simple question it is. Now I will multiply and divide. Now here you can't make use of partial fraction directly. Why? Because we are having x to the power of nth term. Okay, x raised to power of n andre ax plus bx plus so on we have to write here. Okay, and it is very, very lengthy and tedious also, not possible also. Multiply and divide by x raised to n minus 1 I will do. So what I will get here, that is nothing but x raised to n minus 1 into x raised to n minus 1 into x raised to n minus 1 into dx. Here we have x raised to 1, x raised to n minus 1, x raised to 1, that is nothing but x raised to n here, which is equal to integration of x raised to n minus 1 divided by x raised to n into x raised to n minus 1 into dx. Now I will make use of substitution method. simple, that is put x raised to n, okay, equal to t. Differentiate it, n into x raised to n minus 1 into dx equal to dt. Now that implies x raised to n andre enagutte, x raised to n dx equal to dt divided by n. Now you substitute both the values here in the question. That implies integration of x raised to n minus 1 dx andre enada nodili dt then whole divided by, okay, into x raised to n. X raised to n means the value will be t into t minus 1. Now I can make use of partial fractions very clearly and simply. So now which is equal to 1 divided by t into t minus 1 equal to a divided by t plus b into t minus 1. Now taking the LCM, that is a into t minus 1 plus b into t. Now here when t equal to 1, okay, 1 equal to a into 0 plus b, that implies b equal to value nagatte 1 nagatte. Adhe riti when t equal to 0, if I put t equal to 0 means b into 0 0, here what we get 1 into a into minus 1 plus b into 0, that implies a equal to minus 1. Now you put a equal to minus 1 in above equation, that implies 1 divided by n integration of this term is what, a by t, a andre no minus 1 by t plus b means what, 1 by t minus 1 into dt. So now what is the value, 1 divided by n, okay, 1 divided by n, 1 by t integration, that is minus log t plus log of t minus 1 plus an integral constant c. Now what you can write here, 1 by n log of, that is a t minus 1 divided by t plus an integral constant c, that is nothing but your required result. Very simple, clear and easy example. Nodri ida example enada nimage ಇಲ್ಲಿ examination ಒಳಗ 3 marks ಕೇಳಿದ್ರು. It is an important problem asked in the examination for 3 marks. Okay dear students, this is all about the topic, that is exercise number 7.5, that is nothing but our integrations by making use of partial fractions. In the next class we shall start the next exercise, that is exercise number 7.6. Till that, thank you.